Hello everybody, this is Reza. You could be channel Reza Blade, and I'm still working on my 30 and 30 take two. Although I have had a little bit of a setback. I'm a little sick right now. Still fighting it off. Had to take a day or two off to try to get better, but here I am again, and I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. So let's get to it. First off is just a general haul. I will be doing these reviews pretty soon. I got the Born Pretty special edition set in the mail yesterday. We have the most beautiful plate sleeves that I have ever seen in my life, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I want to show you these before I do what I'm doing my review on today, since that is a little disappointing, and I'll get to that later. But here's the unicorn plate, and that is BPA06 Unicorn versus Rainbow World. This is a special edition plate. Got BPA07 Zoo Kingdom. Beautiful plates. These are well worth getting. According to the questions that I have asked, they say that these are limited edition and cannot be purchased separately. So just a heads up. And I would look for these on their site. I got them on eBay. This is BPA08 Lala Pope. A geometric plate. They've got all the trends in here that are big, really big right now. BPA09. We have a cosmic plate, astronomy, etc. Gorgeous plate here. And we've got BPA TED. It is a geography or navigation plate. Talking really beautiful here. I'm not the kind of person that appreciates all this extra packaging, but these sleeves really are just gorgeous. So if you're interested, that special edition is available now, and I will be swatching these within the next couple of days. So stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed so that you have your notification bell hit. Because that took a little bit of time, I am gonna wait to show you the UR Sugar and Nicole Diary haul until the next video. I got 3 Beauty Big Bang stamping polishes to try. Let me show you these. We've got a lovely violet that I want to try out. I believe I got the blue. What color is this? Ah, that's that beautiful metallic blue that people have been talking about. This is the one that I really wanted to see how it's stamped. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see what the third color is. I think I picked up another brown. Shades of brown are always very useful for trees, etc. Come on, little guy. You're not in there too tight, are you? That is a lovely brown. All right, guys. So today's real topic is that I got the 40s series of the Mezerdoo plates, and I am sad to say that I have all the other editions of the Mezerdoo plates up through the 0s, the 10s, the 20s, the 30s, and I love them all. I recommend them all. I adore them all. These plates I do not particularly recommend. Some of them some of these images you're going to need a miracle stamper for. Some of them I couldn't even really get a very good pickup with my best sticky clear jelly stamper. So I want to show you these plates, but I also want to warn you that if you get them, now of course what I share with you guys are my opinions and my findings, but I'll show you the swatches and I'll show you, you know, where I had some trouble. Mostly, if you use stamping polishes only and you use an excellent stamper, you may have great luck with these plates. I'm not going to deny that. This one's number 42, just so you guys can see as I'm chatting with you. All right. So like, for example, this one, I think this one picked up just fine. And I think this one picked up okay too. So some of them are just fine. This whole plate was stamped okay. But the quality is so hit and miss with this set. This is number 43. Here is number 44. That I just can't recommend it as a 100% get this, go out and buy it. Because I personally wish that I hadn't purchased this particular set. And that is just my opinion. But the images are just not interesting enough to me. They're very, you know, they're fine images, but I like it when their plates have more things that I personally enjoy. I'm not a big hearts fan. I have all sorts of geometrical plates. This particular plate, which is one of the reasons I got the set, did not stamp very well at all. I had actually already given up on swatching by the time I got to number 47. But for example, I tried to use this image on this manicure. Here's my manicure for you guys. But I couldn't get a pickup. So you'll notice that image is not in here, because I couldn't get a good pickup on that at all. So I finally gave up when it came to passing. 46 is the last one I swatched. But this plate disappointed me right away, so I sort of gave up on it. And then the rest of these I just didn't swatch. 48, I had already given up by that time. I was very frustrated. I got 49. And 50. All right. So those are the plates. Let me show you my swatches. You'll see what I'm talking about with some of this quality. I just could not, with my normal kit, get great pickups. I mean, and some of this is fine for, you know, whatever. But I really like everything to be a little better. Just a little better. Here's number 44. Some of these stamped a little better. But see, this I tried with Sinful Colors black back on black, and this was the PinPai black stamping polish. Just to give you an example of when I had to use a couple of tries. Now this is a great image, a great stamp. I mean, I really like it. I just, maybe if you like this set, buy the ones you like individually, because they are available individually as opposed to a set. Here's number 45. See, it's just not great fine line pickup. Just really not great. Look at this one. This is supposed to be like a beaded curtain effect, and it's just didn't show up. Now again, if you're okay with using a miracle stamper, like a sticky stamper that's not a clear jelly stamper, then these plates will probably work just fine. but I don't. Anyway, I'm just a little disappointed. So thank you guys for sticking around, for forgiving me for my voice today, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed hearing what I had to say, and I can't wait to talk to you guys tomorrow. See you later. Bye.